We've made $50,000 in 10 minutes on one OTC currency pair. Hi guys! Today you and I are going to have a very cool video as well as my trading plans for today, because what if you and I make $50,000 in 10 minutes on one currency pair and on one situation? I knew you would like that because you and I are geniuses of technical analysis, and therefore I'm sure we will succeed in it. And of course, the cool thing about it? Today the exchange is closed and only OTC currency pairs are available, and I like it even more. And you and I have already overclocked our deposit and actively traded on OTC currency pairs and used indicators. And if you haven't seen these videos yet, you can find them on my channel, my YouTube channel. And if you want to trade with me in one team, and if you want to get regular trading signals with yield of 18-90%, you can come to my team, to my private chat in Telegram. You just need to find the link in the description under this video into my Telegram, get into there and write me the code word private, and I will add it to my secret private chat where I post all this useful stuff. And of course I have an open channel in Telegram where the real people post their reviews about trading sessions from my private chat, and you can scroll through and understand that everything is very cool, everything is honest, and you must check it yourself. Don't believe my own words, just come there and check yourself. So I repeat, if you want to be in my team right now, stop this video, put it on pause, find the link and come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, and only after that we're going to have this trading session, this trading cool day. And of course remember that we're going to make $50,000 or even more. So let's start. Hi everyone! Today we're going to have a very short but very interesting video because my deposit is $10,000 and I will try to work out the one currency pair and one situation for today. My plan is to find 3 entry points in every trade I'm going to enter with almost all of my deposit. And if everything goes well, according to my plan, I will increase my deposit to $50,000 or even more because I would like more, of course. So I will try to do that on the OTC currency pairs because now it's weekend, the exchange is closed and only OTC currency pairs are available. So I would like you to watch this video to the end because it will be very interesting. So guys, let's start. So at this currency pair, I've marked all the levels at which the price has given any reaction, and now let's return to the beginning of our chart, and here we can see that at the moment the price is moving quite confidently down. And at some levels there are small bounces. In this situation there is a small rollback up, you can see. And here I would like to open a trade for 2 minutes but down because the next level is a little bit lower, and at the moment after a small flat the price movement will continue down to the support level. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small flat, the price impulsively went lower and we're getting the gorgeous, brilliant profit. And also after the impulse down, the price slowed down a little, and in this situation, let's open a trade for 1 minute with up. Because within this 1 minute, we will get at least a small rollback up. So guys, let's see how it happens. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, there was a rollback up and we are getting a very good profit, and 1 minute was enough here since there is also a support level at the mark of 63,272, and also we have got a very good rollback up. So, and after this upward rollback, I would like to go with down. Let's do it for 3 minutes with the reserve because I'm expecting a small flat maybe or a small rollback up. And also you need to pay attention to the fact that the price rolled back up very well with another green candlestick and then stopped. And at this moment the red candlestick is appearing, so we are going with down. I think that the movement will continue and 3 minutes will be enough here. So guys, let's see with what result our last trade will be closed. Well guys, it's not bad. As you can see, after a small flat, the downward movement continued to the support level, and I have fulfilled my plan for today, and it's excellent result. In a very short time, we have got our profit, and now our deposit is $48,000. We have spent today only 10 minutes, and of $10,000 we've made $58,000. Our net profit is $48,600, yes, and all of our transactions were on one currency pair and on one citation. We have predicted the fair price movement perfectly, and even OTC currency pairs are okay for technical analysis, and you can trade on them without any problem. Well guys, it's a very brilliant result because we've made $50,000 in 10 minutes on one OTC currency pair on one citation. Isn't it brilliant? It is. And of course you understand that we've predicted the all price movements perfectly, because you and I are geniuses of technical analysis. We love it, we adore it, and of course we do our best in it. So guys, I hope you like this video because this trading really energized me, and I hope this energized you too. And one thing that I want to say, it is very important, listen to me, I cannot trade without you in my team. Really, I need only you. You are valuable, you're very, very important for me. So come right now to my Telegram and write me the code word private, because you're very necessary for me there. I really need you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to YouTube channel. Write a comment about how you like this trading, how you like this result, and we will see each other next time.